Welcome back to our channel, Tricky Tech. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of programming languages. If you have ever wondered what programming languages are, how they work, and why they are essential in today's digital age, you have come to the right place. So, let's get started. What are programming languages? To put it simply, programming languages are the backbone of software development. They are sets of instructions that computers understand to perform specific tasks. Think of them as the bridge between human thought and computer execution. Without programming languages, we wouldn't have the plethora of apps, websites, and software we rely on every day. Just like how different cultures have their own languages, computers understand specific programming languages. Each language has its unique syntax and semantics, enabling developers to communicate with computers effectively. Why do we need so many programming languages? You might be wondering why there are so many programming languages out there. Well, each language is designed with specific purposes and goals in mind. Some languages excel at web development, while others are better suited for scientific computing, game development, or artificial intelligence. Additionally, languages are constantly evolving and improving as developers seek more efficient and expressive ways to create software. As a result, new languages are created and existing ones are updated, catering to different needs and preferences. Some common types of programming languages. There are several categories of programming languages. Let's take a quick look at the most common types. Procedural languages. These languages are designed to execute a series of sequential steps. They follow a structured, top-to-bottom approach, making them easy to understand and use. Object-oriented languages. Object-oriented languages focus on objects, which are encapsulated units of data and behavior. They promote code reusability and modularity, making it easier to maintain and scale large projects. Functional languages. Functional languages treat computation as the evaluation of mathematical functions and avoid changing state or mutable data. They are often used in areas like parallel programming and data processing. Scripting languages. Scripting languages are lightweight and interpreted, allowing quick prototyping and automation of tasks. They are commonly used for web development, system administration, and scripting. These are just a few examples, but there are many more out there, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Some programming languages have become incredibly popular due to their versatility and wide adoption. Here are a few of the most well-known ones. Python. Known for its readability and simplicity, Python is often recommended as a beginner-friendly language. It's widely used in web development, data science, and automation. JavaScript. As the language of the web, JavaScript allows developers to create interactive and dynamic websites. It's essential for front-end web development. Java is a powerful and platform-independent language used for enterprise-level applications, Android app development, and more. C++. This language is commonly used in system-level programming, game development, and high-performance applications. Swift is Apple's programming language designed for iOS and macOS app development. These are just a few examples, and the right choice of language depends on the project requirements and personal preferences. And there you have it, an introduction to programming languages. From their role as a communication tool between humans and computers to the different types and popular choices, programming languages are the backbone of our digital world. If you are interested in learning more about programming languages or specific tutorials on coding, be sure to subscribe to our channel for upcoming content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and as always, keep coding and creating. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep coding.